cervical vertebra. Give me a second. Okay then, cervical vertebra. These are the parts. These are the 7 vertebra, C1 to C7. They are labeled, that makes the skeleton of the neck. These are 7 C1 to C7. You can just uh, remember them by this name. Otherwise, you must know their alternate names. There is Atlas, Axis, then C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C3, 4, 5, 6, and C7 is also known as Vertebra Prominens. Let's remove them. So this is the vertebra. You see the atlas, the axis, and the other vertebra. I want to bring your focus to the curvature. The cervical vertebra, it's curving forwards. It is convex in the front aspect, concave on the back aspect, and uh, so this is it. So let me get out the other things. Okay, so this is cervical vertebra. Let us focus on one typical cervical vertebra. Then we will take it from here and we will discuss